Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are on the hunt for some fresh summer nail art ideas, then this video is for you. So first up we have the Lights and Lacquer, and she is doing this very pretty watercolor inspired design on her nails. It does feature multiple colors and it kind of reminds me of like a bright, bold tie-dye look. And this is an absolutely beautiful way to do your nails this summer season. Then next up we have that same Tic Tacker. So for this one she's doing a simple pattern with just doing the French tip or the top portion of her nails. And then here she is doing more of a monochromatic French tip look. She is using multiple colors for this, and I think that it is just a nice fresh way to do a French manicure. Gorgeous, loving the slight contrast for that trend. And then we have another nail artist. So for this one, she's going to be doing the Cheetah Print trend. Cheetah Print is very popular this season and it can pretty much be spotted anywhere. And I love the mix of adding this with like the nudes and the white tones. It really just brings a fresh take on the trend overall. And then for our last nail idea for the summer season, we have these gorgeous iridescent style nails. This trend is very popular this year and I love the way that this came out. Alright you guys, so that is going to be it for this video. I hope you were able to find inspiration within these nail art ideas. If you did, be sure to give this video a like and I will see you in the next one.